What's up, guys? It's Caitlin, and we have a empty table, and as you can see in the corner, that's kind of peeking out. We're gonna try this Galaxy slime goop. One plastic spoon. I would add two. One measuring cup, a glitter pack, sodium tetrabyte, one sodium tetrabyte, and okay. Just gonna. So this is the first look. Whenever you. Okay. And this is the first thing. And Happy Mother's Day. So this thing is one sodium tetrabyte, one bag. This is a lot. How much is it? Our mixing, our glue, and that was my sister that just farted to embarrass her out. Pack of glitter. Eat glue in your eyes. Wash hands through like put this right here. Okay, we already got included. Or the 4 paper or plastic disposal cups. Why do we need 4? Okay, so I need to get warm water and 4 plastic cups apparently. I'm probably just gonna use bowls because I don't really got plastic cups. Because we need the warm water. We're gonna get the bowl of warm water, not the cup, a bowl. So it looks like we just got to wait for it. And while we're waiting, let me just find some cups. Work perfectly. So we're gonna use this as 1 cup. This has 2 cups. I'm gonna have to find the other one. We can use. Okay, the water's warm now. So I don't know what's in this. Apparently we can. We can use a measuring cup. And I guess we can use this soccer cup. It's plastic. You're never gonna use this again. Okay, so backward. Okay. So now, what glue does the stir with the stick till the glue is thoroughly mixed in? That's too much water. I think we need more glue because this is too much water.